If you're looking to build a website for your business or brand and don't know where to start, well, this video is for you. So let's show you and introduce you to the Socialverse platform. So jumping into it, the Socialverse platform is essentially an all-in-one website builder that can power any small business's online presence. It basically has featured pack with website builder and sales funnel builder, built-in sales communications features with CRM features, as well as built-in SEO tools, a community access, email marketing, SMS marketing, automations, and much more. So let's jump into it really quickly. So here we have the inside of the Socialverse platform where you can actually access and build your website. So here we have a website that is currently built out for Stone's stump removal, offering stump removal and stump grinding services in central Indiana. So we have a full website that is set up all right within the Socialverse platform. And you can come in here and add new pages. You can add a store to sell online products, physical products, digital products, and much more. You can build portfolios, pop-ups, and as many pages as you would like, all right for your website. If you want to come and add a new page, you can easily do that and start from one of the templates that are pre-built already inside of the Socialverse platform. So you can do all of that and much more. You can edit your global styling, you can edit your website settings, you can connect your website to third-party applications. You can also come down here and edit your desktop view for your website. You could also come in and edit your mobile view. So no matter what device people are on, you can make sure you have an optimized website set up for them. You can also, once again, come in and set up an online store. So obviously this website is a service-based business, so they don't have a website for selling online physical or digital products because it's a service-based business. But you could come in here and set up a full e-commerce business all right on the Socialverse platform. You can also jump into the contact center, which allows you to actually store and access all of your contacts. Now, some of this information is actually going to be blurred out because obviously it's private information for this business specifically. But you can come in here and actually access basically a CRM that is included inside of Socialverse. And not only can you do that, every single customer that you have on your website or that submits forms on your website will essentially be uploaded into your own CRM that's on your website, and you'll be able to access their own set up customer profile, which allows you to add all the details to their profile, leave notes, essentially see whatever forms they've submitted, if they've made orders, what they're subscribed to, marketing, and much more. With Socialverse, you can also set up an appointment center where people can book and take appointments for you, whether it's an in-person meeting or a phone call meeting, all right within Socialverse. You can also jump into the marketing section and actually set up marketing campaigns. You can set up automation flows for sending automated emails or automated SMS messages connected with Twilio. Also within Socialverse, you can access the community and build your own community all right within Socialverse. So if you need to offer a community, you can do that and build what Socialverse calls a circle. You can also access the Help Center. So everything that you need is all right here when you need it. Then there's also the SV network. So you can see the digital network that is built directly within Socialverse. So any user or any business that signs up to Socialverse will actually get placed directly into the Socialverse network that you can essentially find and access their profile for many different reasons. So if you need a service, you can actually go to the Socialverse network and access that directly and find businesses that may be offering the services you may need. Also, with Socialverse, there's an outside and separate tool, which is called the Socialverse SEO software. So this SEO software kind of gets in depth with helping you build and optimize an SEO strategy for your business, whether it's from finding keywords, tracking those keywords, to actually getting SEO engine action tasks that you can take. This SEO software through Socialverse will even give you local SEO actions to take and much more. But overall, I wanted to keep this video pretty short and just cover and go over the Socialverse platform and how you can kind of come in here and build your own website using DIY. And if you don't want to DIY your own website, Socialverse offers services to build full websites for you. So if you have any questions, just comment them below, and I myself will get back to you and help you get pointed in the right direction. If you want to check it out, all you have to do is head over to socialverse.com to get started and to learn more today.